What's going on, guys? My name is Arslan, and welcome to the very first video on quick bits of C Sharp. So, in this video, we will be developing a desktop application which will connect to database MS SQL Server, and we will be selecting data back to to the GUI and sending data to the database, and we will see this all live. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. I have ultimate 2013. This is not a like it's not a requirement. If you have express, that would be good. All you have to make sure is you must be having 1 second, you must be having SQL Server install. I have 2012 server. You can have 2014 also, and you can have live servers too. We will talk about them later. So let's begin. Let's roll in the show. Okay, new project. That's simple. um okay, 1 second. YouTube browse. YouTube. Sorry about that, guys. 1 second. One. Like it's quick. Let's see. Sharp. And okay, let's just select it. YouTube one. Do not add to source control for now. We will explore that later on. Let's begin. Ah, okay. Please do not see my. Oh, do not see these credentials. Also not this. Okay, maybe I have to set up another server for tutorials. Connect. Mm, oh, so this is not going to resize, right? No problem. Okay, okie dokie. So, sure. Why did that sort? Okay, let's figure it out. Why did happen? So it says network related or instance specific error. Not gonna. That means our SQL server is not running. Okay, let's hit services.msc. Okay. Uh, Services up, SQL Server. Where's MS SQL? Yeah, it is, and it's not running. That was the reason. So like that, must be checking services first that either SQL Server is running or not. Okay, so basically, uh, let me open Paint. Okay, how genius Microsoft is. Paint. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, so let us create a kind of wireframe which is not exactly a wireframe. So here's the concept what we'll be going to achieve in this video. We will create a GUI, first name, last name, and then and then the submit button. Okay, so what on the submit click. Okay, on the submit click, what? Okay, let's not make it here, make it here. On submit click, what it will do, we will be using entity framework, so it's because it's easy, and a lot of work's already been done, and you don't have to write all long queries, just the framework, oh, just the entities will be dealing with all the stuff. So no ADO.NET, it's entity framework. So one sec. Oh, I will using entity framework, using entity framework, doesn't matter that much. And we will be sending data to database. So this is the simple concept. And this is okay, let's do it quick. And then we will have another screen showing all the first names and last names from the database to grid. Okay, makes sense? Oh, I am a perfect artist. Make sense? Perfect. So let's create, so always for creating any complex and enterprise applications, just like we are doing right now, we have to make sure we are creating the database first, because because if your schema is right, then you can make your GUI easily, or like it's a straight way. So no changes again and again, and no going back and forth. So always make sure that you make your schema first, but it's not mandatory. It's like a good practice, but it's not mandatory. So let's hit it again and check. Oh yeah, it's connected. Oh, sorry. Databases. Oh, there are so many databases. Really need to make a new server for tutorials. Database name, let's say YouTube 1. Okay, doesn't matter. Where's YouTube 1? Oh, we can scope it, but no, we can't. Okay, here's a table. Make a new table. You have an ID. This is really good practice to have ID for at least for every table, because it can, nothing more or less, it will help you to sort the table, sort the data. Also you can make it primary, and you can make a auto incrementing. First name, that should be virtual max, because max is due to, there's some scientific rocket science behind the max. You can search over the internet. I really love max, that's why I'm using it. And I will use over here too, max. Done. We are done with our enterprise level database schema. Context, let's name it context. Okay, okie dokie. Let's make our GUI beautiful and awesome and creative and lovely, so everyone can fall in love with it. But where is, oh, control box false. I really don't like cross button on the top right. Um, what else? Sizable, where's sizable? Grow only two. No. Control. Oh, whoa. Mm, location, center screen, and just put the last property. cannot find it. Great. Great, now you all going to throw tomatoes on me, I know. Sorry about that, guys. We will sort it out. Where is that property meant? Mm, Anyways, at contact, it's always a good practice to name your forms and uh, labels perfectly. Okay, firm at contact. Now that's the simple part. Label, add one more label, add text boxes, uh, add one more text box, add two buttons. We need to add a close button on the application form, on this form, or on this our enterprise level database or an application. Oh, please do not read those messages. Humble request. Uh, oh, First name. It's really simple, easy. Tomato pieces. Mm, First name, last name. Make it this like this. Uh, oh yeah, we need one more label right from the mart. And here we ordered and it's delivered. Uh, and view contact. Go to font. 12 bold. So it looks good. Ah, okay. Pretty $1 billion idea app. Hmm. Uh, where's text? Button one, submit. Exit. Sounds great. Text one, two, by one, by two. I always do this. This is so much fulfilling act, and this will give you a boost confidence. Whenever you see exit button or you have an exit button, just do this. Oops, this dot close. Or you can also try application dot exit. If it is, yeah, then just leave this and just test this. Oh, this the sense of fulfillment of making a $1 billion app is right away, right here, just going to be shooting you. Here it is. Yeah, everything's working now. It's working perfect. Submit button. To dos. It's always good practice to add tons of comments, because when you will have your clients, you will always be going to listen. Please comment codes. Please comment codes. Please comment codes. Please comment codes. Okay. First name. Let's name it txt. First name txt. Last name. Uh, that's it. What we now need to do is to get, okay, let me show it like this. So we have our awesome add new contact application running up, but what's the problem is it's not saving data to the database. Okay, so how we are going to achieve it? We will make two containers, one for first name, one for last name. And what we will do is get on the submit click. Right now submit is not doing anything, so we need to add functionalities on the submit. So on the submit click, on those we will assign first name value to first container of our string, first our string container, and the last name value to our another container. And then we will use those container to export data to the database here in this table. So when we'll hit refresh, we'll see we have an awesome table waiting for us. Please don't see my databases. And we don't have any data. Okay, right now. So on submit, we need to store data here. We need to port data here. Okay. Uh, why submit is not working? Okay, because we haven't added any executions. To do's: send the first name and last name to database. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, so let's make two containers: string first name, last name. Okay, and now we have to reference these text boxes from this name. Okay, text first name. So first name equals to txt first name. So this is in itself is text box. We need to access its property. This text box have so much potential. It can do anything, like it can give you coffee, it can like make you pizza, it can like do do your groceries, like anything. No, I'm serious. Look, see, accept return, accept tabs, it can do allow drop, it can append text, it can do many things. So basically we are not interested in so many, or we are not interested in making this text box to do grocery for ourselves. Rather than we are interested in the text it have for exporting it to database, right? So same will be the case with right. Now we have first name and last name sitting over here. Okay. Now our next to do is uh, make entity framework connection. All this going to be super duper simple and easy. You just don't have to think too much of what going to happen right next moments. Just follow and you will get the concepts by the time. Everything needs time, like baby needs time to walk. So take that. Yeah, take that, I meant that. Make entity framework connection from yes to db. Make instances. Push data. Database. Okay, fatabase. Have you heard about fatabase? It's so tasty, lovely. Okay. Ah, ooh, how that's going to happen? Okay, so let's see. Let's see if I can make it without making errors. Okay, so here's a project, YouTube one. Add new item. I have a meeting right in next 15 minutes. Whoa. Let's quickly finish this up. Okay, go on data, and you're going to, okay, 1 second. Maybe we have so old framework selected. Make sure if your framework is not 3.0, or make sure if your framework is not 4.5, turn it to 4.5. You can also select framework while creating the new project, which we didn't. That's why we did have 3.0, and 3.0 doesn't support entity framework, right? At least in my case, or at least in our case, in our project. Okay, so after changing it back to its 4.5 baby, then then we can add entity framework. See, and just shoot model one. Okay, for maybe some of you guys not having this EF designer from database, you might need to update your nugget. Nugget is very much similar to nuggets which we eat from chicken, for of chickens, and you can have ketchups and you can have everything. And I mean, okay, so let's get back to this nuggets. You have to hit entity framework and um okay, it's 6.1.3, so maybe I have to also update it, but I'm not going to update it right now. But if you don't see that that EF from designer, either you have to update your ultimate, either you have to update your Visual Studio 2013, and also want to install this 6.0. At least I have 6.0, so let's not mess with the new version until I get hands on the documentation. By the way, okay, add EF designer from database, hit next. Here we will be going to, please do not see my database connections. I don't know why it's showing here. Anyways, okay, to add a new connection, you if you have express version, then you might have to do something like this and write your express instance name such as Maslogy Express. But if you don't have Express and you have the enterprise version such as I do, so you just have to push dot and it will redirect to your local instance. Okay, uh, here we are going to find our YouTube one. See, you can test connection also, succeeded, perfect. And now you can see this. see this see this connection string. I have no concerns. Okay, like I have concern with you guys, but not some privacy and other clients concerns. YouTube one entities, you have to save this connection string in app.config, because you're going to make an instance of models from this name, so you have to also remember it also. Oh, I can make it, let's make it more awesome. DB context entities. Next 6.x. Next. And here now we are going to see the magic. Whoa, whoa, oh, whoa, 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 whoa. We got our table right under our carpet. Perfect, right? Just hit next, finish. And this will make all. Oh, I got some messages, right? Don't know where. Yeah, you have to wait a little bit. And please bear with me. I know I have very bad sense of humor. Haha. So now we do have our ID, first name, last name as a data set in our model. And now where's our paint? And now don't save it. And now we can use this actual this is this data set in directly into our classes, classes are very much awesome, lovely things. You can meet new people and write codes and go hang out and do every kind of things. Okay, I hope I haven't confused you much. Okay, uh, here's our main code. Submit. Here we are again, submit. So we have done with our making connection with our database. Now we'll quickly make instances of our entity framework. Remember, DB model, DB context, entities. Remember this? Remember? DB equals to new. We are making its new constants. And now, shakalaka boom boom. Here you can see the context table. That's what I was talking about. This is the power of entity framework. If we would be using ADO.NET, then we would be writing queries such as SQL connection equals to new SQL connection, and then passing connection string which we just made connection. Okay, just bear with me, please. Connection string, and then making SQL command which will be like something as select all from, or in this case insert. So much hard coded, like insert. Oh, nine, let's do values and first name and last name and all kind of that stuff. Thanks God we have now entities framework. More sounds like entities. Lots. DB context. Now let's see what DB context need. Okay. Oh, sorry. DB context dot add. It needs a type of context. It's need an object which has a type of context. So we have to make a context, right? Context. Oh, whoa! How we just got this class? This is not automatic. We just created it right away, and here you can see this. There's a class. It got automatic. It got first name, last name, and the ID. Remember some schema sort we made, all on the fly, all on the fly. So it is really a $1 billion app, at least the concept. Contact is equals to new contact dot. Okay, man, I wish I can write it perfectly. First name, remember our containers, so cool right here. Contact dot last name is equals to last name. And now, ladies and gentlemen, push data to database. Let's hit it. Submit, submit, submit. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa. Hold on a second. Ah, ah. We did that when we were adding context. When we were adding contact in the contact, we just did on memory. We have to do this one additional line of code. We need to add it, and okay, with one less e. Submit. Oh, it's done. Woohoo! Let's another one. Oh, okay. Mark Zucker. Oh, Zucker. Done. Oops. Whoa. Perfect. Makes sense. Now let's just quickly create. Hmm. Let me show you one awesome thing. We are changing the plan. What we're going to do, we will show all the first name and last name in a drop down, or just right here. And this is really awesome. It can save your time and can help you in many ways. Okay, so just combo box, um, this, and use data bound items, add project data source, database, data set. We have this WordPress with .youtube1.dbo. Next. Okay, go ahead, hit next. table context first name last we will be only going to show first name. Okay, first name and id as a value. Display member first name, value member, id. Bam. Now let me show you the magic. just just 30 or 35 seconds. You did magic. Seriously, you did magic. Let's do one more addition. Wow, okay, Uncle John. Okay, for that we need to refresh our application or rerun it. Bam, bam, bam. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you have enjoyed this a lot. Please leave comments if you have any. You can make a new request for anything you want me to create for you. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Please do subscribe and like this video, because the more you like, the more pizza I'm going to eat. So please have mercy on pizza. Do not have mercy on pizza. Thanks.